My name is Tapelo Matloko.
My name is Timothy Smith.
Hi, my name is Divan.
Luan Grobler.
My name is Andrew Dupre. I'm a mechanical designer at Jendamark Automation.
I'm a junior mechanical designer at Jendamark.
And I'm a mechanical graduate intern here at Jendamark.
I'm an electrical designer.
So I'm a mechanical designer at Jendamark Automation, and I've been here for almost 5 years.
I've been with the company for approximately 3 years now.
I've been here for 6.5 years.
I started now in January.
I've been here for 5 years. But it's supposed to say it there on the thing. I should make it so you can see it in the shot. It says Long Service Award. What I enjoy most is problem solving. Majority of our work is for assembly of diffs and axles. So we will come up with concepts to solve problem the customer has in terms of assembling parts.
So the boxes that you got to tick, obviously you would need a degree to get here into engineering, but that's not the only way to go about it. Generally, automotive experience is what you would like to come into here with. You've got to have a passion for it. You've got to be interested to do it.
For me, it's my mind's always been a bit more 3D orientated. Used to have a background in architecture, decided to transition into engineering.
It's quite easy in the beginning. And then once they say, okay, now here's a full design, you go into it. It's just like, oh, okay, so now I'm fully integrated into the team. I need to know what's going on. When I am faced with the challenge, it's comforting to know that there's a team here who's actually rooting for me, that, oh, I can go to them and talk to them about anything.
I just love electrical from a young age, yeah.
We're in a phase now where we're doing a lot of new development stuff. So it's like unexplored territory, but we're doing it at a very high standard.
Because I mean, we don't do basic stuff. We're doing some state-of-the-art facilities here as well. So
The projects we're doing, the intricacies of it. I didn't even think we do some of the things we do on the lines here. In the final stages of our hydrogen line, seeing that work. We took concept, we realized it, and we turned it into a reality, and it works.
We'll often have 2 or 3 different things that might work, and having that intuitive instinct for what's best to go with is the most important thing.
If anything, it's a very healthy work environment.
And it's a bit of a office banter going around. It's never like a hostile kind of space. I've touched on things in automation that I didn't even know about, and it's just been, it's like you're on that edge.
it's like an innovative engineering firm.
Creativity and the enjoyment of tackling the problems.
Becoming more and more like the office.